Got that new underrated sticker on the Z. So with y'all guys, I'm tired. I haven't slept at all. What I got a couple months back, it's honestly been like a month, I'd say. Surprise you guys real quick with the reveal of a new hood. We finally got a vented hood. Finally got the right latches for this shit. I'm gonna get this shit wrapped in black and oh, there you go. I'm gonna get this shit wrapped in black and Jose's gonna do it. So if you guys remember Jose, his turbo 350Z rear mount, he's gonna wrap it for me and it should be good and good to go. All right, this is Jose's shop. He's gonna wrap it in black. Got the wrap right here. Could barely see it. Yep. This is the wrap on it right now. Alright guys, we're finally gonna fix the fucking power steam pump pulley issue. This is the last time I'm gonna be opening this stupid ass hood with these fucking lock pins. You guys see the underrated sticker. Banner, I should say. Yeah, I can't even unlock this shit either. But stupid as fuck. Finally get a better hood. And look how it looks like without the hood. Took it off right now, meanwhile. But fuck.
Yeah, power steering pump time?
Yes, sir. Alright, so as you said, this shit was in the fan, the belt. It's ripping, the pulley's ripping it up. But good thing I have warranty on that shit. This is the new vented hood with the wrap on it. Got Jose. He got it done.
Yeah, this shit's fucked. Look, this shit's bent right here.
And it's wobbly too, no?
No, it's not wobbly. It's just it's bent right here.
Oh.
One of these fins is bent more in. I can't tell where. But you can probably see it right here. When you move it, oh, right there, look, this is like bent in.
Oh, okay, see.
Right here, you see that?
Damn.
That's the issue right there. Where's the new?
Right here.
So we need to take anything off of that one.
Wait.
But we gotta put this bracket on there.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
That's pretty much it.
Does it have a placement for it?
Yeah, it has the 2 bolts right there.
Yeah. You just gotta remove this. Huh?
2 12s. And see, it comes out the same distance. And this is like a little stopper right there.
Yeah.
Just pop it off.
That's where the power steam fluid goes in. We also lost some.
Even though we tried to avoid it.
Yeah.
Put a fucking pipe in there.
We put a pipe inside the tube. But we'll get some. And you gotta remove your fan because it'll be in the way.
On the other ones, on the other cars, I don't think you have to do that. I think it's just yours because of the fucking
the
tube front.
Since my car's salvage, it might be different for you guys, but yeah, should be it. You just used the impact right there.
I just installed it. Same as the other one.
It's not a full-on install video, but just to give you guys a general idea.
Pretty much, it's just this 14mm right here, and this 12mm up here, and then one hose clamp and one 24mm bolt to hold in the banjo bolt, and that's it. Players. Oh, you gotta remove your belt, obviously.
Yeah.
Which is simply just a 3/8 inch. Boom, bing, bomb.
And like that, you do it.
Blue when the engine's cold.
Oh.
It's hot, motherfucker.
Nah, you gotta do it outside in the sun. Alright guys, so we finally put the pulley on. And the last step is just put some fluid. Power steering fluid. I guess you need power steering fluid. Dextron type. So we're gonna put that in and we're gonna go to Harbor Freight. Easy needs to get his tools that he needs.
Gotta take advantage of that parking lot sale, dog.
Yeah, gotta take advantage of those cells. We haven't fully put the hood on, but damn, that shit makes a big ass difference. Damn. What the fuck? What's about to take you? Moving this little Honda EP3 for Izzy. Shit's kind of confusing, but it's almost the same as the Z. The reverse at least. Alright guys, so me and Izzy finished Squid's Harbor Fright. He got a fuck ton of tools. We went to AutoZone to get the fluid for the power steering. Then I got my belt. I got warranty on that, so I got it. Then we went to Salty's Barbecue. He put me on.
Bussy.
Fire ass food. Alright guys, so if you remember when I first got this, it was new. See how the pulley ripped it up viciously. You can see that it's kind of torn. Put the fluid in, you know. New belt. New power steam pump pulley. That's it. Now we gotta see where we're gonna reroute these.
We're gonna unbolt this. We're gonna try to.
We're gonna unbolt these.
See if we can unbolt your bumper too.
Oh yeah.
He's on your bumper because you go onto there.
See if we could put this underneath the harness under the bar at least, so we could put the hood on top, and then.
And it'll be good if we take this off too. That way we could weld our brackets on here too.
A little bit better, yeah.
Yeah, we'll be able to weld them up on the top and on the bottom without burning anything right here.
Yes, facts.
Hell yeah! So let's take that off. Let's move.
Alright guys, so we got Izzy over here cutting, and then he's gonna weld the plates. He's gonna move them a little bit more on the bar that we have on this V, but this is how the hood's looking. A little thumbnail for you guys, but clean as fuck, guys. I forgot to tell you guys that these hood pins I got, they're trashed. Never get them. I got them from eBay, so if you see those online, don't get them. But it does come with these and that, which I'm gonna put on since they're new. These are the lock pins that came with the hood, and they work amazingly. Just lock it like that, push it back in to its thingamabob, and then to open it, you gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you open it like that.
She cries like a little bitch, huh? I think these are bigger though.
Yeah?
Yeah,
probably how they look kind of thick. Like you.
Oh, we need
Look. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Finally pulled up. Still need some little welding and shit. So yeah, I'll show you guys the results. Alright, so I'm gonna try to speak over the music, but it's hard to get the right fitment so it could fit into that. So now we gotta make another. No more problems.
A 1.6 and a fucking Civic. Why not put a GSR?
Fuck. Oh, you can smell your piss. Sweat. So, unfortunately, Izzy cut his finger.
Your fucking
with the
piece of shit fan cut me up, dog.
The Z's fucking
piece
him
of
over.
Shit.
So,
Piece of shit, man.
Izzy's over my car, but the fan kept going on. I tried to pull it, and then boom.
That's not what happened, Mikey.
Then what happened?
Karma.
Karma for what?
Karma happened.
The back tire, it adjusts itself type shit.
What the fuck?
Tiny bit.
Oh shit. Is that what you mean? It kind of moves a little bit right there? Oh, okay. What the fuck?
So normally it wouldn't do that. It would just stay still, like straight. That shit, it's ready to swing now.
Damn. Alright guys, so we finally got it done. Just did all of this for the hood. Fixed up this. We put the harness on the bottom.
The harness used to be up here.
Yeah, looking all.
And it was hitting the hood.
Yeah, hella.
We moved it out the way. Underneath, tuck, a little tuck, little minor tuck. Look at fucking Mikey's bitch ass car did to me, dog.
That's because he was talking shit to it. That's what happened, bro.
Piece of fucking shit.
It's because we ended up
The fan wiring.
So when we connected it, it just kept running. So we had to fix that on the box, and then that's how he got his finger cut, because he tried to cut it out, the power, put his finger in, or it took him.
Yeah, he dragged me. It dragged me with the fucking wire.
Yeah.
It grabbed the wire and it took me with the wire.
So,
and it cut me.
So you guys know plastic fans
It's
can
true.
cut you.
The plastic fan does fucking cut you, dog.
Yep.
It's true.
If it was metal, it would have been his whole finger,
if it was
if
metal,
anything.
I'd be dead.
Yeah.
I would have bled out. We would still be waiting for Matt to put on his fucking tires.
Yeah, and that's the only car that would be running. Look at all these other cars.
They're all in the works right now. They're all in surgery.
Yeah. But that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, and we also fixed, obviously, the power steering pump pulley. Put more fluids in for the power steering.
The actual fluid this time?
Yeah, the actual good fluid that it needs.
New
Let me
belt?
show the bottle.
A new belt?
A new belt, too. Because that one was fucked up. But this is the one you're supposed to use.
Yeah, Dextron 6.
Dextron 6.
ATF, yeah, automatic transmission fluid for the power steering.
Yep.
Sounds stupid, but that's what it is, doggy.
But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
You gotta understand the amount of motherfuckers that said it's a waste of fucking time, I'll never be able to do it, it's not a real fucking job. The amount of motherfuckers that never believed in me, bro. The amount of motherfuckers that will tell you that you can't do something because they can't imagine themselves doing something. Bro, do not let anyone tell you shit, bro. Do not let anyone tell you anything, bro. You can literally do whatever the fuck you want. You can literally do anything you set your fucking mind to, bro. Do not take shit from anybody, bro. The world is yours, bro.
Mama on the rich, how I turned down. Look how I turned down. All of these hoes getting turned down.